Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to install this decal on your pickup truck. This is something I bought from Amazon. You can pretty much do this procedure on any vehicle that you're installing a decal on. And in my case, it's my Ford F150, and it was pure plain white, so just wanted to give it some extra look. The first thing you need to do is clean up your car really good. Make sure you wash it, get all the dirt and debris out, and then what you need to do is you need to grab yourself microfiber. Take this alcohol and clean it up pretty good, and that's something I'm going to do. Just mark where you want your decal to be, so I kind of have an idea where I want my decal to be, and just make sure you clean it, with the rubbing alcohol, because the idea is pretty much to take all the wax and grime or anything that did not wash off with your car wash. And once we get everything out, that's when we're gonna install the procedure. So on the other side, I'd already cleaned it up, and I'll show you how to install it. I just had a paper decal that just kind of came in a roll, so I unfolded it and I sticked it to the car using blue tape, and these are just the regular painter's tape. So align it, tape it, and in the center, as you can see, I just put one straight tape to put it in place. So mark the center and stick a tape to it. I know it's not the perfect center, but I kind of wanted to have a little bit weight balance. So the way we're going to do it, we're going to install one portion of it, and then we're going to follow the next one along with it. And you can position it anywhere or however the way you like it. So in my case, I kind of like it like this, on my car. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the installation. What you need is a spray bottle. You can just use plain water, or you can use a mixture of dishwashing soap mixed with water. Now we're going to undo one section right from here. And we're going to fold it back, just like that. Use the same tape to stick it to the car body. And you need to get a knife so we can cut the paper. So we'll get a knife.
Sorry guys, my dad went to get a knife, so I have to stop the video, okay? My dad went to get a knife so he can cut that paper over there. Okay, bye.
So I got myself a squeegee, and I got myself a razor blade, a straight edge, or you can even use this, but my tip is broken, so I'm just going to use this. Just stick it off. Go all the way. While you're peeling it off, just keep spraying it with water. You just take your blade and you cut this off right from here. Just make sure you don't damage your car, so be careful. And now, I'm just gonna spray where I'm gonna be sticking this. I like to run the water, so if there is any dust accumulated, it's all gone. Now what you can do, pick up this side, take off the tape, start squeegeeing this onto the car. Sometimes it's hard depending on how big your decal is. Start your way from bottom up. Use some more water. The water is running out. And if you make a mistake, just peel it off a little bit, because right now you can peel it off. Later on it's going to be very hard for you to peel it off. So can see. This. Now we're going to do the exact same procedure on the other side. We're going to roll it backwards, tape it, and then undo the you move this tape right at the line where you cut it. It's right about here. Roll this backwards. Here. Grab your bottle. And then the first thing you need to do is to make this area wet. All you do is grab the last corner and kind of just keep going straight and just laying out by itself. Some people cut it a little bit further away, you know. I think that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to roll this one backwards inside. And over here I'm going to do the same thing. I may just cut it like more closer to here and just kind of roll the rest back in there, because the gap over here is a little bit bigger. I'm going to keep my credit card straight and just kind of very light touch. You don't want to damage your paint, so you can see. And we're going to do this like right around here, and we're going to turn this a little bit. Again, take your credit card, and what we're going to do is you don't want to just cut it right here. Nice and small. credit card works a little better, I think. And here you can see, it's nice and clean. Now you have to wait before you peel off the top plastic, because there's a top layer of plastic on top, and you want it to be dried before you peel it off. Otherwise, if you try to peel it off right now, it's going to start peeling the sticker off. So we're just going to give it a few minutes, and then maybe like half an hour or so I would recommend, and then we're going to peel it off. I'm going to start peeling this off. There you go. Alright, all done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a dry microfiber and just wipe off any water or any imperfection there might be. Just kind of rub it in, especially if you have any bubbles, you know. And that is it, guys. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, but it's pretty simple. This is how you do it. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.